What's up, adventurers? Welcome back to Trek Gear, your trusted source for all things tactical, durable, and trail-tested. If you're new here, hit subscribe and tap that bell icon, because we drop the toughest gear reviews every single week, from survival tools to everyday carry essentials. Now, today's lineup, absolute legends in the folding knife world. We're counting down 20 ultimate folding knives for survival and self-defense, precision, reliability, and raw power packed into pocket-sized steel. Every knife here has earned its spot through design, build quality, and performance when it really counts. Let's dive right into the first three heavy hitters. Starting strong with a beast, the Benchmade Claymore. This automatic folding knife isn't just built for show, it's a tactical powerhouse designed for real-world use. You've got a D2 steel blade, aggressive partial serration, and a lightweight yet insanely tough grivery handle. What makes the Claymore so remarkable is its axis lock-assisted action, fast, clean, and solid every single time. This thing snaps open with authority, and when you hold it, you know you're handling serious military-grade craftsmanship. Benchmade didn't name it Claymore for nothing. It's explosive in performance and elegant in design. Whether you're on duty, on the trail, or just want a reliable self-defense option, the Claymore earns its reputation every inch of the way. Next up is something sleek and stealthy, the Zero Tolerance 0450 CF. If the Claymore is brute force, this one's precision art. Crafted in collaboration with Dmitry Sinkovich, it's got a titanium frame lock, carbon fiber front scale, and a CPM S35W N blade that cuts like a whisper. The action? Like butter. ZT's KVT ball bearing system gives this knife one of the smoothest flips you'll ever feel. It's light, discreet, and razor sharp, making it a favorite for everyday carry and tactical minimalists alike. There's a reason so many collectors rave about the 0450 CF. It balances elegance and lethality in one compact design. If you value performance wrapped in sophistication, this one belongs in your EDC rotation. And rounding out this first trio, the iconic Spyderco Paramilitary 2. A legend among folding knives, known for that distinctive leaf-shaped blade, compression lock, and Spidey hole for lightning-fast deployment. This knife delivers pure functionality, CPM S45W N steel, perfect ergonomics, and build quality you can trust for a lifetime. It's the definition of balance, enough toughness for survival, enough refinement for precision cutting. Once you've carried the PM2, it's hard to go back. It's that good. Ask any knife enthusiast and they'll tell you the Paramilitary 2 isn't just a tool, it's a benchmark. Coming in hot at number 4, the Boker Plus Strike. This one screams utility with attitude. Built with a D2 steel blade, textured aluminum handle, and a push-button automatic deployment, the Strike is made for quick access and confident handling. What really stands out here is that perfect balance between control and speed. The spring action feels snappy but safe, and the ergonomics give you excellent grip whether you're gloved up or barehanded. It's a solid choice for those who want something tactical but not overbuilt. Boker nails that sweet spot between affordability and function, and the Strike proves it dependable, durable, and ready for action at a second's notice. At number 5, we've got a classic reborn, the Gerber LST Ultra. This knife traces its roots back decades, and yet it still feels modern in every way that matters. You're looking at a full fine-edge stainless blade, glass-filled nylon handle, and a total weight so light it's almost invisible in your pocket. The LST Ultra is Gerber's way of saying, simplicity still wins. No gimmicks, no frills, just a perfectly functional tool that does what it's built to do. And the result? Effortless cutting power in a frame that disappears when you don't need it. And now for a hidden gem that's been making waves in the EDC community, the CIVIVI Mini Praxis. This is a knife that punches way above its price point. You get 8 CR, 13 M, OV, steel, G10 scales, and a smooth liner lock that feels much more premium than it should for the cost. The blade geometry is incredibly practical. That drop point makes slicing, piercing, and daily tasks a breeze. It flips cleanly, locks securely, and fits just right in hand. What makes the mini Praxis so appealing is its versatility. You can carry it on a mountain trail or clip it to your jeans for city use, and it performs flawlessly either way. CIVIVI really nailed the everyday balance of performance meets price. Coming in strong at number 7, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. If you're looking for a rugged tactical folder that doesn't empty your wallet, this one is hard to beat. You get a 3.1-inch stainless steel blade, aluminum handle, and a partially serrated edge that's built to tear through rope, cord, or even thick webbing without hesitation. The Extreme Ops feels like something that belongs in every go bag or glove compartment, tough, functional, and easy to deploy. It's not flashy, and that's exactly the point. Smith & Wesson focused on grip texture, control, and dependability, all the things that actually matter when things get real. For under everyday carry budgets, this is a no-nonsense knife that delivers beyond expectations. At number 8, we're going old school, the Buck 110 Folding Hunter. This knife is a living legend. Since the 1960s, it's been a symbol of American craftsmanship and reliability in the outdoors. You've got a 420, HC steel clip point blade, brass bolsters, and a genuine ebony handle that just oozes tradition. The lockback mechanism is solid, safe, and time-tested, no fancy tricks, just mechanical perfection. It's heavier than most modern folders, but that weight gives it presence and confidence in hand. The Buck 110 is more than a knife, it's a piece of history that still earns its keep on every camping trip, hunt, or survival pack. Sometimes, classic designs really are unbeatable. And taking the 9th spot, the Gerber Paraframe. This knife is minimalism done right. A full stainless steel construction with an open frame design, frame lock, and fine edge blade that keeps things clean, strong, and lightweight. The Paraframe's skeletonized body doesn't just look good, it keeps the weight down and makes maintenance easy. You can rinse it, wipe it, and it's ready to go again. It's that kind of knife you can clip onto your pocket and forget about until you actually need it. Gerber nailed the simplicity factor here. The Paraframe is affordable, durable, and one of those EDC, essentials that quietly does the job without demanding attention. Kicking off this round, the KEXMO EDC pocket knife, a modern survival multitasker, built for people who want performance without the premium price tag. This knife features a stainless steel blade with a sharp drop point profile, G10 style textured handle, and a spring-assisted opening that's smooth and satisfying. It's designed for everyday reliability, whether you're hiking, camping, or tackling day-to-day chores. The KEXMO's quick action and sturdy frame make it feel far more expensive than it is. It even comes with extras like a built-in glass breaker and seatbelt cutter small touches that show KEXMO was thinking beyond just the blade. For anyone who values versatility and peace of mind, this one's an absolute sleeper pick. Next up, the 6495 Tactical Pocket Knife Simple Name, serious performance. It's got that aggressive survival styling, partially serrated stainless steel blade, textured black aluminum handle, and a spring-assisted flipper that fires open with a satisfying click. This knife is all about control, the handle ergonomics feel natural, and the jimping across the spine gives excellent thumb traction for those precise cuts. It's also surprisingly lightweight for a tactical design, making it perfect for EDC, or emergency backup. If you're building out a survival or self-defense kit, this one gives you a ton of knife for very little money. Durable, fast deploying, and built for work, exactly what a tactical knife should be. And at number 12, the Smith & Wesson SWMP4 LS. A knife that blends tactical muscle with refined mechanics. You're getting a partially serrated 4034 stainless steel blade, Aluminum handle with rubber inserts and Smith & Wesson's signature MAGIC. Assisted opening system, and yes, it lives up to the name. This knife opens like lightning and locks up like a vault. It's designed for emergency response, defense, or demanding outdoor work, and that integrated glass breaker at the end of the handle just adds to its utility. The SWMP4LS feels purpose-built. Every contour, every screw, every flick of the blade screams, ready for anything. It's one of those knives that commands respect the second you deploy it. Starting off this round with something wild, the spring-assisted Karambit X42. This isn't your average folding knife. It's designed with one purpose in mind: self-defense and control. The curved tiger claw blade and finger ring grip give you maximum retention and speed in tactical situations. The spring assist mechanism fires the blade out fast and smooth, giving you instant readiness with minimal motion. Its stainless steel construction and textured handle scales feel rock solid in hand, even when wet or gloved. This knife isn't for casual use, it's for the people who understand the value of ergonomics and defense-minded design. Compact, aggressive, and functional, the X42 brings a bit of martial arts flair into your EDC lineup. Now we're stepping into legendary territory, the Reeve Sebenza 31. This is more than a knife, it's precision engineering turned into art. Machined from titanium, equipped with a CPM S45 WE end blade, and finished with microscopic attention to detail, the Sebenza is the gold standard for premium folding knives. Every line, every chamfer, every click of the lock bar feels intentional and exact. It's not flashy, but it radiates quality. You don't carry the Sebenza to show off, you carry it because you appreciate perfection. Whether you're a collector or a hard-use enthusiast, the Sebenza 31 is a statement piece: timeless design, flawless execution, and the benchmark that every modern folder gets compared to. And rounding out this trio, the Benchmade Bugout, a modern EDC classic. If you want lightweight reliability, this knife practically rewrote the rulebook. Featuring CPM S30 WE, steel, Grivery handle scales, and Benchmade's beloved axis lock, the Bugout is built to handle everything from slicing cord to outdoor meal prep without breaking a sweat. What makes the Bugout so special is its weight or lack of it. It's insanely light, yet still feels sturdy and secure. It disappears in your pocket, but when you need it, that deployment is fast and confident. The Bugout is that rare blend of minimalism and performance, a true EDC icon for hikers, survivalists, and anyone who values function over flash. At number 16, we've got the Spyderco Native 5, a knife that perfectly captures the spirit of American EDC design. Built with CPM S30 WE or S35 WEN steel, the Native 5 brings a short, stout blade with a wickedly sharp leaf-shaped profile. Pair that with lightweight FRN handles and Spyderco's rock-solid back lock mechanism, and you've got a tool that feels unshakable in hand. The ergonomics are where this knife truly shines finger choils and jimping exactly where they should be. It's compact, durable, and performs way beyond its size. Whether you're field dressing game or cutting paracord, the Native 5 feels like an extension of your hand. It's the kind of knife you carry once and instantly understand why Spyderco has such a loyal following. Sliding in next, the CJRB Pyrite Lite, a modern folding knife that proves innovation doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. This one uses ARRPM 9 steel, CJRB's own powder steel formula, and a super clean button lock system that gives it effortless, fidget-friendly action. The Lite in its name isn't just marketing. This thing practically disappears in your pocket. It's sleek, smooth, and incredibly practical for both urban and outdoor carry. And number 18, the Benchmade Mini Barrage 585. A compact powerhouse from one of the most trusted names in the game. With CPM, S30 Wii, steel, Valux handle scales, and the same axis assist mechanism found on its full-size sibling, the Mini Barrage is small but mighty. The assisted opening is lightning fast, yet completely controlled, snapping open with Benchmade's signature precision. It fits comfortably in hand, balances perfectly, and makes for one of the most reliable self-defense folders you can legally carry almost anywhere. The Mini Barrage 585 bridges the gap between tactical and practical, a true all-rounder that feels just as comfortable in your pocket as it does in the field. Sliding in at number 19, the FLISSA pocket knife, a rugged, no-nonsense tool built for the outdoors. This knife brings together a stainless steel stone-washed blade, G10 textured handle, and a liner lock mechanism that keeps it solid and safe during heavy use. It's got that tactical meets practical design, compact enough for everyday carry, but tough enough to handle serious cutting jobs on the trail or at camp. The thumb stud action feels smooth, and the overall build gives off confidence without being bulky. If you found your next favorite blade in this lineup, drop a comment below and tell us which one you'd trust when things get tough. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a Trek Gear gear drop.